Odin 3 is a free PC application which can flash and root Android-based phones. With Odin 3, you can flash your Samsung cell phone and overwrite the system files. You can install any version of the Android OS on your smartphone before your phone manufacturer has released an update, putting you on the bleeding edge of software. Once your phone has been rooted, you are able to do all sorts of things.
Thanks you for viewing my video. If you got any new idea for our channel video content, please leave comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, consider to click like, and if you not subscribed to our channel, consider to subscribe right now. Thanks you very much. I will see you next time.